Why?
I don't know.
Hi!
Hello, this is confusing.
Alright, so we're doing a taste test.
And a fun haul, the same thing.
Yeah, because we went shopping in the process.
Imagine the way I'm going to have to put this in the playlist.
Possibly.
This is going to be weird. Can I put things on 2 playlists?
I don't know. Alright, go.
Okay, Uptown Cheapskate. I got leggings from Forever 21 for about $4. Well, it was $3.74, but yeah.
She needed leggings.
Mhm.
I, from Uptown Cheapskate, I bought a bag for $2.99. That way, I have a big bag when I go shopping. Because, in Melissa's terms, I'm a shopaholic.
Did I say that?
You've used that term frequently.
I said you shop like a chick.
Exactly. I bought this cool purple scrunchie. It's velvety, and it's really pretty. I'm obsessed with the color purple because it reminds me of a special somebody.
Not me.
No, not you. And having some form of purple around me, like, reminds me of this person. I have a purple hair tie in my car that belonged to this person. And I have it on my, like, gear shift. And now I'll have, like, one that I can put on my wrist. So that way I can think of the person, too.
Yeah, I'm pushing the tote back a little bit so we can both be in freaking frame.
Okay. I bought a cute little bralette. It's really cute. I like it. I'm going to pair it up with a couple odds and ends that I have.
I don't get the bralette thing.
It stretches. I'm anywhere between a large and an extra large. So, like, that's what my clothes range in lately. Although I do like to shop in the guys department and I like to get my shit oversized. But I got this cute gray bralette that I'm going to pair with something.
This looks like underwear.
It isn't. It's a sports bra. At Uptown Cheapskate, they're just like Plato's Closet, where they buy and sell
name brand
clothes. And
not computers.
Everything's got to be in, like, somewhat pristine condition. And it's got to be in style and the trend. So I picked up this sports bra. And it's Victoria's Secret. And it's a large.
That doesn't even look like it'll fit one butt. One boob.
I have one that I bought at Plato's Closet. And it fits. Same size. Except it's blue.
Those things must have an awful lot of stretch.
They do. Have you seen some of the big-breasted women that come out of Plato's Closet? I mean, Victoria's Secret?
I don't come out of Victoria's Secret. Because they don't carry my bra size.
Oh, that's why. I bought 2 bralettes.
You wondered why your bill is higher?
Yeah.
Let's see.
2 bralettes. Let me see how much.
Don't think.
Yeah, that's why. It's okay, though. They're the same color, but this one's in an extra large.
Oh. Size difference.
Yeah. Okay. Then I got this cool basic t-shirt that I can wear one of the bralettes with.
Like us on Facebook, have exclusive offers and hot items.
This is a size large from Victoria's Secret, and it's got the puppy at the bottom.
Wolf. Oh, that's where my one coworker's shirt came from. She had a sparkly dog on her back today, and I'm like, oh, shiny. I like shiny stuff.
Alright, so coming this week, I swear to God, Haley and I are going to go back to the gym. I swear to God. I've been finding these cute little sets that I absolutely want to wear when I go to the gym because they look so comfortable. And I found this one. Cute pair of blue Victoria's Secret sweatpants. I love the design on the back, how they crisscross. And they're really cute.
That reminds me, I gotta get some thread or something like that. Because the one shirt I have that has holes, I want something to thread the sleeves closed. Or I would have been wearing that shirt today.
And then I found this cute shirt to go
Wait,
with
does
it.
it have a giant hole?
Yeah, in the back. To expose your back.
I know, I'm making sure you don't wear a bra to the gym.
Okay, so that was our first trip.
Well, technically that was our second trip. Our first trip is in this.
Yeah. Then we went to
Before we went to
2nd Ave.
which, mind you, I was in hell.
Alright, so
Too many people.
I found these cute sweatpants in a men's extra large. They're Nikes. I like the oversized look of pants.
Not the balloons.
So I like them a lot. Again, another pair of pants I'm going to probably end up wearing to the gym.
I still have the pants you gave me that are way too freaking long, and I am taller than you.
Alright, so I'm obsessed with plaid, and if I would have picked up a black bralette, which I have at my house, I could wear a black bralette with this. Because I love getting my plaid oversized in the guy department. So then that way I can somewhat wear it and then tie it.
She's gonna become the plaid Batman.
And if I tie it, it'll look cute.
She's trying to look like Daisy Duke.
Only in your dreams, Haley.
What? You have the short shorts, the bralette, and the plaid.
What else do I get?
You're Daisy Duke.
Okay. So I like donuts.
Don't we all?
They have these cute boxers with donuts on them.
And you know the difference between boxers and trunks? One has a pee hole. Make sure you wash this beforehand.
I always do. God damn. I don't need that bag. Alright, so I bought another sports bra. Again, this brand is Champion. And it's orange.
It looks awfully pink in the
Yeah, orange.
Don't you just love how cameras suck?
Yeah, the camera's too soft. Alright, so then I found this other tank top I liked at 2nd Ave. And it says pink. Another Victoria's Secret thing. I'm actually proud of myself that I can fit into Victoria's Secret clothing because I'm working so hard to lose the fucking weight. And I found this. I saw one of my other favorite YouTubers go through like the lingerie area where they took a very sheer like
pinky tap.
A very sheer top, paired it up with a black bralette, and then they paired it with a nice pair of jeans, and it looked really pretty. So I hope that I can, you know, somewhat redo that kind of design. And I hope it looks decent on me, too. But we'll see how that turns out. Right, Haley?
Yeah. I got both my names in this video now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, Crystalina.
3. Do you guys want to know how many names I got? I got like 1 million.
Haley, Crystalina, Melissa.
Bob. You think I'm joking?
I have 2.
What?
No, I have 3.
Bitch. Laura. Love Muffin.
Bitch. Farah. Lala Rule.
Yeah. Okay, so we got these things. Which one do you want to try first? Because there's a bunch of these. Okay, so there's the protein.
She's going to kill me.
There's protein bars, which one's vanilla, one's chocolate.
What made you decide to get all these fucking protein bars?
They are on sale.
You're going to kill me right now.
There's a Luna protein bar.
She's going to kill me.
There's a pure peanut butter one. How am I going to kill you? You love peanut butter. I hate peanut butter.
But I'm not a protein bar person. And you're going to kill me with this one.
The coconut one? Wait, did I just get...
Mm-hmm. Two of the same.
Shut up.
So what are you going to do with that one?
I don't know if it's good.
So you throw it.
Yep. So, what do you want to try first?
We can always just throw it in a bag and play Russian roulette.
What? These?
Mm-hmm. Where's the bag that I had?
I tossed it over there.
You bitch. I got one. We also went to KFC.
Let's try those first.
No, because you'll like these better than those.
No shit, Sherlock. It's sugar.
So these are last. Those are last. Because I know you'll like those.
Okay, so should we save these for the last two?
Yes.
Because you would like these.
We're playing Russian roulette, people.
Russian roulette. First up is... Power Plus Protein, chocolate and peanut butter.
Yum.
Yeah, for you.
She's going to kill me, people.
Dude, that thing just popped off like a mouse.
Smells good.
Kind of looks like a,
What, Snickers with peanut butter.
I was going to say Three Musketeers.
I'll go for...
Very chewy.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't taste very peanut buttery or chocolatey.
Mm-mm. It's not good. It's not bad. It doesn't have flavor.
It just tastes like a fiber bar.
Yeah.
We got shit tonight.
I work tonight. And I already shit in your...
Poor toilet.
I already shit in your toilet.
My poor toilet. Your turn. The aftertaste sucks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this one is a Luna bar. This is white macadamia and white chocolate and macadamia. Which I like white chocolate and macadamia. How about you?
I don't like white chocolate.
Well, in a cookie, it's very good with macadamia in it.
The only white candy I like is the white chocolate Reese's Cups.
There's your little bit. Kind of looks like a Rice Krispie treat.
Kind of tastes different too.
It takes a little while to develop, but it's not bad.
You can taste the macadamia though. I don't like it though.
It's okay. Though, kind of smells like sugary feet.
Ew.
Okay, my turn to pick from hell. Okay. Why do I keep pulling out the peanut butter? Luna, protein, chocolate, and peanut butter. Oh, well, I feel like I'm going to have to.
On a good note, your computer works.
Yeah, this is... Yeah. That's because my new computer does not have touchscreen. And every time I forget that, I go... This one's better than the other one.
Mm-hmm.
This one actually has flavor. Is it good flavor? Not really.
There's a good balance of the chocolate and peanut butter.
Too bad the peanut butter tastes like ass. Your turn. Oh, that had a terrible aftertaste. Okay. Oh, that's my. Ugh. Salted caramel Luna bar.
You picked these, remember that.
It's a new flavor. Dude, I hope it has cashew in it, because cashew's great.
Again, you bought it.
I thought you liked salted caramel.
No, I don't like caramel. I don't like coconut either.
Oh my god, that smells salty and sweet. There's your little bit.
Thank you. Thank you for taking.
Unfortunately, I got a big bit.
Thank you for taking me into consideration. Sugar rush much?
I got salt. I got nothing but salt. I got nothing but salt.
I like Russian roulette with you.
Why? Because I'm losing?
Yes.
Okay. Now this one might be good. I'm hoping. It says lemon zest. But no, my luck, it's going to taste like a freaking lemon all the way.
Lemon head.
Oh, smells sweet. Smells like lemon cake.
You know what I just realized?
What?
I have to take all the price tags off that and throw it in my hamper before he gets home.
Well, you have about 3 minutes.
What minute?
Wow. That was really artificial. I feel like I just ate a lemon flavored breath mint.
Oh,
It's not bad, but it's a lemon flavored breath mint.
I feel like I just shoved 5 warheads that taste like lemon heads in my mouth.
But it's not sour.
I like your bag.
What, the one that says Best Buy? Or the skull? You know the bag on top of the skull is the peanut butter for your boy.
No, I didn't know that.
She's gonna hate what she just picked. Chocolate dipped coconut Luna bar.
Fuck my life.
And they're gluten free. So we can force feed Derek all this shit.
Derek's gluten free now?
Pretty much.
Why?
I don't know.
Is he allergic to gluten?
I don't know. At least I think he's gluten free. He's either lactose free or gluten free.
I thought he was lactose free.
I don't know.
Who's your boyfriend?
He's gay. His boyfriend is another guy.
He's still your boyfriend. He's a boy, he's your friend. Boyfriend.
You never know with you.
There's no sexual relations.
No doubt. It's mild, it's boring, but it's chocolate covered coconut. She hates.
Tastes like coconut milk.
Maybe this will be a nice reprieve.
Uh,
It says the best ever.
Best ever my asshole.
The best ever bar. Real food.
Best ever my asshole.
Let's see if it is the best ever.
In my asshole.
High protein, real food, no GMO, no artificial anything.
I call bullshit. So what the fuck are you gonna do with all these after we open them?
Put them in a bag and slowly eat them. Looks like cracker.
Hopefully it doesn't go stale.
I got crumbs on my crotch.
You have a crummy crotch. Best ever my asshole.
Best of being dry.
Yeah.
That's a terrible flavor. Why does it taste like beef?
I don't know, but you can hand me my phone.
That tastes like beef bouillon.
How would you know what that tastes like? You don't do beef.
I used to suck on them when I was little.
Someone did a Walgreens call. All right, Haley.
Why does the cookie thing taste like a beef bouillon?
All right, Haley. One of these has got to be better than that shit.
Oh, duh. The pure peanut butter protein bar. Power bar. Pure peanut butter. And it says, warning, contains peanuts.
Well, no shit. I need to cut my hair.
I can't do it.
I know you can't. You suck. We suck again.
This looks like taffy. This feels like taffy.
I'm having so hard. I'm crying.
Soon you're gonna shit yourself.
It's your toilet, not mine.
This is just taffy peanut butter version.
Yeah. It's not good. It's not bad. It tastes like taffy.
I hate taffy. There's 230 calories per bar. And now my finger's sticky. Pervert.
Takes one to know one.
Wait, is it my turn or your turn?
Yours.
Okay, live. Why the hell is there so many peanut butter?
I don't know, why the hell did you buy so many peanut butter?
Creamy, dreamy peanut butter. Well, at least it's
Dreamy. Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with us?
people like seeing me tortured with peanut butter. This tastes like Skippy.
It does.
It's not bad, but it tastes like Skippy.
I know it does.
Doesn't your boy like Skippy?
He won't eat protein bars. He hates them.
He's a protein bar.
He needs a protein bar.
Your turn. And beware, the dog food is in there too.
What?
The other one of the best bar ever.
Oh.
I call it dog food because the other one tastes like dog food. Luna Bar. Blueberry Bliss.
What's so bliss about blueberry?
Apparently they got real looking blueberries in there. Oh my god, that smells like blueberry.
Maybe you'll actually like this one.
Oh god, squishy!
It's blueberries.
Won't come off my finger. Shut up!
I can't.
Actually, yes. This tastes kind of like blueberry pie.
It does.
That's actually a pretty good one.
That means she's probably going to buy that one more often.
No, that means if we're gonna get Luna Bars, we're gonna get the Blueberry Bliss so far. That or the lemon zest. More likely the blueberry, but think about it. The one that tastes like a lemon thing is better than the other ones. Okay, my turn?
Yeah.
Okay, we got the dog food again. The best food bar ever. This one looks darker. So, maybe should. This is supposed to be cookie dough. What was the other one?
Peanut
Crap.
butter.
Okay, this one's supposed to be cookie dough. It smells like cookie dough.
But
Looks
is it
kinda
cookie dough?
Looks kind of like cookie dough. Okay, this is really hard to break.
Smells like cookie dough.
That is the blandest cookie dough I ever had.
There's no flavor.
I mean, there's flavor at the end, but it's just... Ugh, the aftertaste. I don't think you are going to dispute that one.
No.
I'm glad it was only 88 cents. Ugh. There has to be something better in here.
Yeah.
The aftertaste tastes like ass. Shut up.
How do you know what ass tastes like?
Dude, you farted in my face enough to know.
Shh. Our secret.
Besides that, the other day at Target, I was walking and I was eye level with a butt. I turned, I was eye level with another butt. And I'm like, I'm standing up and I'm eye level with butts. How the hell did these people get into the store? They're too tall. Where the hell did they get their clothes? Gotta get away from them because I'm feeling rather short.
You are taller than me.
I know, and I was eye level with the ass. 2.
Alright, so what are we eating?
Okay, we're eating Luna Rica. This is the chocolate coconut almond.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, yes, you are. Dude, how much peanut butter did we have? Okay, stop that. You already clawed me once today.
You had an itch.
And you didn't even aim right for that.
I was driving.
Oh, it's gooey.
You can keep your gooiness. Swear to God, if I die again.
This isn't bad.
It's softer than the other ones.
Kind of tastes like a weird cookie.
Tastes like a brownie.
Yeah, kind of tastes like a brownie with almond butter on it.
Okay, I don't have coconut here.
Well, yeah, there is a little bit of coconut in there. But it's not bad.
Unless you don't like coconut.
I know, you hate coconut. My turn? Or was that your turn?
Your turn.
Okay. S'mores. Luna bar. S'mores.
Do you like Russian roulette of Luna bars?
This is the weirdest Russian roulette ever. Hey, trust me, it beats the gun. Get your s'more. Maybe we should have toasted this over an open flame.
Fire, fine.
This tastes like chocolate and Rice Krispie.
But fire, fun.
Disappointing, but not bad.
You said the magic word fire.
Yeah, it's right over there.
I need fire. Fire.
Your turn.
How many's left in here?
2.
Alright.
Okay. Salted caramel nut Luna bar Rica.
Didn't we just have a salty nut one?
Yes. This is different. It's squishy.
Smallest piece.
Here's cashew.
Like I said, before to the squishy one.
Oh yeah, it says cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar.
Tastes like a fucking brownie.
Not bad. So far our winners are the Ricas and Blueberry Bliss.
That's the one you threw.
Yep, the last one is Protein Plus Bar Vanilla. How the hell did I get 2 of these?
I wasn't with you. I can't help you.
That is really, really white. That needs a tan. Okay. Break it down.
It's soft. But I don't like vanilla.
Tastes like it's supposed to be like fudge. Tastes powdery. There's a protein drink made into a bar, and I don't like it.
And you're stuck with one.
I'll just throw it at my coworkers.
Alright.
Okay. More health for me. A pleasure for her. And then interesting. So, which?
Top one.
Peanut butters, lovers, beasts.
I didn't even know they made this shit.
I saw it, said she's gonna love this.
I'm obsessed with Reese's.
And peanut butter. Oh my god, it smells really of peanut butter. It looks really peanut buttery.
It looks good.
I know, we both get one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the top layer is a peanut butter. And you know my complaint about these before. It just tastes like I'm eating peanut butter.
I like it.
I don't.
Of course you don't.
That's too much peanut butter.
Alright. So we had a pee earlier. And I felt bad. Because, you know, I had to pee. So we stopped at KFC so I could, you know, piss.
And they apparently were crafted by Chop.
Cinnabon.
Yeah, that.
So KFC has this thing now called dessert biscuits. I saw them. I had one before and I absolutely loved it.
Why
Now,
does this look like a KFC biscuit with sweetened sauce on
it is. It is.
It's gonna be interesting.
So, I told her she had to try it. We each get two. So let's see what her impression of this is.
My impression is I need to get it off the fork. Well, for one thing, it's hard.
Because it's been sitting in my car.
It's fucking weird.
What do you think? Out of all the crap we've ate today, what do you think?
I prefer the Bliss bar. This tastes like a dinner biscuit with sugar on it.
I would have thought that you were, you know, dealing with girl things. You would like
This
it.
is a dinner biscuit with sugar on it. It's very weird. Why do they make these things?
Because KFC doesn't really do desserts. The only dessert they have is cookies and chocolate cake.
They need to try better. It's a fucking biscuit. Here's a dinner roll with sugar on it. I mean, they put this stuff on for like a cinnamon bun, but it's a dinner roll. I keep expecting cheese.
What do you have to say to your viewers?
Probably better hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, boy. We look fat.
Hmm?
So, yeah, it's just a biscuit. Not even a well-made biscuit. KFC, do better. Really, seriously, do better. You can make freaking good-ass chicken. Your biscuits can be better. Dude, I made dessert biscuits better than this.
So you don't like it?
The texture's weird. The flavoring's off. I mean, if you're gonna make a dessert biscuit, you gotta make a dessert all the way through. This is a dinner roll with dessert topping. Look, there's like a fat piece of sugary lard.
And she's still eating it, so it must be good.
I'm PMSing. I'm gonna eat anything I can. Dude, have you seen my fridge? There's nothing in my fridge. There's like...
Can I ask you why your fridge is empty?
My food went bad?
You bitch.
What, is it my fault that the salad decided to go bad in a day?
Yes. Yes, it is. It's because that's why you don't buy that much salad.
No, I bought it one day and the next day it was pink. Not sure why the salad was pink.
I'm going back to salads come Thursday.
And I'm probably gonna go to avocados and veggies.
Going back to salads on Thursday. Yogurt. And my steamer bags with the pasta that Brian says, doesn't taste right.
No, it's fake pasta.
It's veggie pasta.
Better than the cauliflower rice.
Dude, I've had that. That's banging.
Yeah, mine.
Say it when I'm here. All right, folks. We'll see you guys next time.
As I eat this dinner biscuit from hell.
She'll eventually post these,
Mm-hmm.
Bye.